gorgeous day. A little chilly this morning, about 40 something degrees. It's supposed to hit 70 today, but the last few days the wind has been blowing, so I haven't been able to get out on the water. This is the first time I've been able to get it back out on here, out on the water in a while, due to the cold weather, the cold fronts coming through, the wind blowing through, a bunch of other things. So finally got a day. We're out here. We're gonna try a little bit of different things. I've got some chads, or yeah, I think it's chad, gizzard, shad, some shiners, a couple of different power baits, and I have a bunch of different types of lures. We're launching from this new park over here that just opened up not too long ago, Midway. It's closer to the bridge, so we're gonna try for crappie, bass, some catfish. I know that last catfish that I caught was only a 3-pounder, and I've been hoping for a 10, but I'll take a 3-pounder any day. So let's get to it. Let's get to fishing and see if we can catch anything. I'm gonna do, the sun's probably in your eyes. I'm gonna do a little cruising today. I have this set up. It's usually for trout. It's called a willow leaf trolling gear. I'm going to try and use it here, maybe catch a white bass or something. I'm trolling with a full shiner with a moocher rig, and I'm gonna cruise around and take a look at the area and see if I can catch anything. So wish me luck. Well, I threw out my ultralight here with some crappie jigs, and I just got a hit. Let's see what it is. It feels all right. Oh man. Okay, hold on. Oh. White bass. Oh, he just came off. So I'm using these, and it looks like he grabbed the bottom grub. So we'll keep going. We'll see if we can catch another one. Well, he didn't actually get caught, but close. I'm trying to get a snack in and just got another hit. Oh. Feels good. Don't feel too big. Unless he's swimming with me. Oh, man. That's the second one I've lost. Try it again. Oh, man. I just had a good hit right here. Holy cow. Okay. I've only got like maybe 6-pound line on here, 6-8-pound line. So try and bring them up as easy as I can. He's under. Here he is. There we go. Ha ha! First fish of the day. Nice. There we go. Let's get this out of the way. So this is a target species. This is the white bass, and he's not quite big enough to keep, but that's what we're looking for as one of the fish we're trying to catch. Oh, I'm turning. I need to move. Going the wrong direction. And here we go. Back you go. Woo. Either I got a hit or I struck the bottom. It went down pretty hard. And I'm not feeling a fight, so I might have hit the bottom. No, oh no, there's something on there. Oh yeah, something's pulling pretty good. I switched up baits. Oh yeah, it's a nice white. Oh yeah, there we go. Pull some line out here, get to the fish. That worked out pretty good. So I put the trolling gear away, and I went pretty far down the lake towards the bridge and started coming back, or yeah, towards the dam, and then I'm coming back towards the bridge. Here we go. It's a nice fish. Not quite big enough. I believe the whites have to be 18. But that is a nice clean fish. There we go. See if we can catch another one. Holy cow. I thought this was just debris in the water. It's a huge cat. And I think he choked on a big bait fish. Let me swing around and see if I can catch him. No telling how long he's been out here floating, but he's a huge cat. Let me put my pole up real quick. I'm changing spots. Didn't catch anything else. Set this down over here. Okay, where'd he go? He's right in front of me. I'm pretty sure he's dead. Get my grips. Probably be easier. Man. This is gonna be tough in the wind, so hold on. Definitely dead. And he weighs a lot. Ouch. I just got hooked. Oh, he was way heavy. Okay. Anyway, that's him right there. And he's got a fish in the mouth, so I'm thinking he choked to death. I turned the GoPro off. I'm holding it, of course, because the little wings on this broke off, and this is about the third one I've gone through that the little catch wings have broken. And when I turned the camera off, it flopped in the kayak, and thank goodness it didn't flop out of the kayak, because it would have been gone. Anyway, that was a big cat. Looks like he choked on a big fish. He's been dead for a while, and I couldn't lift him up out of the water, so I'm gonna leave him. He's gonna float and let the other animals take care of him. That was a fast hookup. I just switched baits. Let me get you straightened out here. You're probably looking in the sun. Just tossed it out and moved. Not very far. I don't know what it is. Nice. That's even bigger. Okay. Come over here and get him. But that's a nice fish. Not big enough yet. Can try for a bigger one. I just got hit again. Man, I think they really like that whitetail grub. And that's just for crappie. Here he comes. Here he comes. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, see, he's hitting that whitetail crappie jig. That's a good hook. Right in the corner of the mouth. Comes right out like that. Another nice little fish. Not quite big enough. And back you go. Off he goes. Ooh. There he is. A little more on the drag. Oh, come on, come on. He's swimming with it. He's not fighting right now. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Be a big one. Oh, he hit the green this time. Nice. There we go. There's another one on the way in. There he goes. Off he goes. Dang, got another one. He's fighting pretty good. Oh, he's a little bigger. Dang. Whoa, he just came off. Ta-da! Hey. I think this might be the biggest one today. Good clean fish. Nice lines. A good color. Here we go. Bloop. Trying to get turned around. This one here just got hit pretty good. Try to click her off. It's still gonna click. Alright. Not so bad. Oh, nice. Woo! There we go. There's another fish. And I'm using a white grub on this one too. Dang, look at that. That's a good fish. It's got good lines. Back in the water. Something just hit hard. Ooh. I think it's a fish. Sorry you're staring at the sun. Oh, come on. Okay, here we go. Nice. On the white grub again. There we go. Let's see if I can shade you a little bit. There you go. Nice fish. Almost back to the dock. Man, it has been an absolutely gorgeous day. Not too hot. The wind kept down, so it's not really a large wind. It's just a light breeze. Pretty nice. Caught a bunch of fish. Got to see that huge cat, even though he was dead. That was too bad. And a lot of boats out here. And when they go from one point to another point, it is wide open, as fast as they can go. One reason is that the faster you go, you get up on plane and you're on top of the water. You don't leave a huge wake behind or make a large waves to bother people. So small waves like the ones that I'm running through right now, somebody went by very, very fast. And it helps with not disturbing the people on the edge or other boats, because the faster you go, the more you're on top of the water. Well, we are gonna head back in. I'm gonna troll some more on the way in, and I guess I'm gonna have to start setting up with some more of those little grubs for trolling bait. And got some waves here. Ugh. And hopefully one day we'll come back out here again, because I know the weather's going to be great come this summer. This spring should be really awesome too, and the summer's going to be really hot, so we're going to have to change schedules about what we do during the day. So thanks for watching, everybody, and if I catch another fish on the way in, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button. I think there's a bell down there you can click to notify you every time I upload a new video. And don't forget, I do have my P.O. box down in the description. You can send me your stickers, your business cards, a letter, anything you want. Go ahead and send it to me, and then I'll get it on the channel. And wherever you go and whatever you do, have fun, as long as it's legal. Thanks, everybody.